Hello everyone, welcome to Jade SOFTECH. Today we are discussing about SAP ABAP Enhancements Scripts Interview Question and Answers. What are ABAP enhancements? ABAP enhancements are mechanisms provided by SAP to allow users to add their custom code to standard SAP programs without modifying the original source code. These enhancements help in extending the functionality of standard SAP applications. What are the different types of ABAP enhancements? There are several types of ABAP enhancements including classic business add-ins, baddies, enhancement points, enhancement sections, enhancement spots, customer exits, user exits, implicit enhancements. Explain classic baddies. Classic baddies business add-ins are predefined extension points provided by SAP that allow developers to add their custom logic into standard SAP applications. Baddies are implemented as interfaces and the implementation class can be created to provide the desired functionality. What are enhancement points? Enhancement points are predefined points within the standard SAP code where custom logic can be inserted. Unlike baddies, enhancement points are specific points identified by SAP within the standard code where enhancements can be added. Describe enhancement spots. Answer. Enhancement spots are predefined containers within the standard SAP code where multiple enhancement points can be grouped together. Enhancement spots provide a way to organize enhancements related to a specific functionality within a single container. How do you find available enhancement points in SAP standard programs? Answer. You can use the transaction code SC80 ABAP Development Workbench to navigate to the object type where the enhancement is required, example, function module, class or program, and then you use the enhancement spot functionality to display available enhancement spots and enhancement points. Can you briefly explain the process of implementing an enhancement spot? Answer. To implement an enhancement spot, follow these steps. Identify the enhancement spot relevant to your customization. Create a new implementation of the enhancement spot using transaction SE19. Implement the desired logic within the enhancement spot implementation. Activate the enhancement spot implementation. What are the advantages of using ABAP enhancements? Answer. ABAP enhancements allow for customizations without modifying the standard SAP code, making upgrades easier. Enhancements provide a structured way to extend the functionality of standard SAP applications. Multiple enhancements can be implemented and activated independently, allowing for better modularity and flexibility. What is the difference between a baddie and an enhancement spot? Answer. Baddies provide a way to add custom logic at specific predefined points in standard SAP applications, while enhancement spots are containers for multiple enhancement points within the standard SAP code. Baddies are more flexible and granular, whereas enhancement spots provide a more structured approach for organizing enhancements. Can you briefly explain the difference between classic baddies and new baddies? Answer. Classic baddies are the older version of baddies and are implemented using the enhancement framework. New bodies, also known as enhancement parts and implementation, are part of the new enhancement framework introduced by SAP. New bodies provide a more structured and flexible way of implementing enhancements compared to classic bodies. What is SAP ABAP scripting? Answer. SAP ABAP Advanced Business Application Programming. Scripting is a programming language used to generate complex documents such as invoices, purchase orders, and pay slips directly within the SAP system. How is an ABAP script different from ABAP programming? Answer. ABAP programming is used to create applications and reports within the SAP system, while ABAP scripting is specifically used to design and generate forms and documents. What are the main components of an ABAP script? Answer. The main components of an ABAP script include layout set, defines the layout and structure of the document. Form contains the scripting logic to populate data and format the document. Print program contains the ABAP code to call the form and pass data to it. How do you create an ABAP script in SAP? To create an ABAP script, follow these steps. Use transaction code SC71 to create or modify a form. Choose the appropriate form type, example SAP script form, smart forms, Adobe forms. Design the layout set to define the structure of the document. Write the scripting logic within the form to populate data and format the document. Create or modify a part program SC38 to call the form and pass data to it. What are the advantages of using SAP ABAP scripting? Answer. Integration with SAP. ABAP scripts seamlessly integrate with SAP applications and data. Flexibility. ABAP scripting allows for the creation of highly customized and complex documents. Control. Developers have full control over the layout and content of the generated documents. Can you explain the concept of SAP script symbols? SAP script symbols are placeholders within the scripting logic that are replaced with actual data during document generation. Symbols can represent fields from SAP tables, variables, or constants. How do you pass data to an ABAP script? Answer. Data is typically passed to an ABAP script using import parameters in the print program. The print program retrieves the data from SAP tables or other sources and passes to the form using the appropriate parameters. What is a layout set in SAP script? A layout set in SAP script defines the structure and layout of the document. It includes elements such as windows, paragraphs, and character formats that determine how data is displayed on the printed document. How do you debug an ABAP script? Answer. You can debug an ABAP script by setting breakpoints in the print program or the form itself. Then execute the print program in debug mode /h or debugging, and the debugger will stop at the specified breakpoints, allowing you to analyze the execution flow and inspect variables. What are smart forms and how do they differ from SAP script? Answer. Smart forms are an advanced form generation tool in SAP that offers more flexibility and features compared to SAP script. Unlike SAP script, smart forms use a graphical interface for designing forms and offer better integration with SAP data and applications. Additionally, smart forms support more advanced features such as dynamic text and graphics. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.